Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super chill, super fun and fresh New Year's Eve makeup look that's not gold or silver but rose gold because I wanted to give it a little bit of a twist. So the first thing I'm going to do is take that brown shade from the James Charles palette and just distribute that through my crease, and then I'm going to take a deeper shade. I don't really know the names of these shades. If I can figure them out, I'll put them down below, I guess. And I'm just kind of building up all of the transitions. And I'm trying to keep it more like neutrally rather than warm, just because I wasn't feeling the whole warm thing. After that, I'm going to take a medium brown shade and pat that almost in my crease. And I'm slowly going to add more product as I go on. I'm just going to dip in my brush with a little bit of product and then continue to build that up. Now I'm going to dip in with a more dense brush and a cooler, deeper brown shade, and I'm also just going to map out my crease now, kind of like creating a cut crease type of shape because I did like a full blown out half glitter cut crease. So I really wanted to just accentuate the crease. Now taking a smoky, almost ashy gray shade, I'm just going to take a bit of that and start to pack it where I'm going to put the black. And I'm really going to smoke that out and make it really dramatic with a little wing, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have the dramatics for New Year's Eve, especially if you're going to a party. I'm probably just gonna stay at home and like eat food with my mom, so... But you know, I'm still gonna have my face beat. Now I'm gonna go in with the black from the James palette, and I'm going to keep that really low on the eye because you don't want to bring it up too high, otherwise you're gonna literally get rid of all of the transitions in that gradient effect. So I'm just adding a bit and then building up, and then adding more and then building up, and then adding more and then blending, you know? You just gotta trust the process. Now I'm just going to take those two really cool brown shades, which are y'all proud of me? I'm never a cool toned sister, like never that. That is not my thing. But yeah, I'm just going to slowly blend out that edge right there. Oh, by the way, I literally half cutted my crease. I didn't even mention that I half cutted my crease. My fault. I'm literally the world's worst beauty guru, but yeah. Now it's time to add that pop of glitter. So I'm going to add some NYX glitter glue or glitter primer, whatever the hell, and a glitter from Bulk Glitters called Peach Princess, I think. And I'm just going to pack that on the eye and add less when I get to that edge right there so that I'm not literally ruining the blended edge we spent like 10 minutes trying to create. Then I'm just going to add lashes. I'm sorry, y'all. My face looks completely distraught, completely ugly, completely oily because I had to leave for hours and then I had to come back to finish my lower lash line. Nicole Concilio said that this Morphe sponge is like the most comparable to the actual Beauty Blender, and I rebuke that statement. This sponge is harder than my head. Real Techniques sponge is literally like so much softer, and I regret just not buying another one of these. That's what I get for trying to be different and trendy. So yeah, thank you for listening to my TED Talk. So yeah, after blending and smoking out that pukey shade, I'm just going to take some of the more medium brown shades, basically just replicating what I did to the top lid. Is that what it's called, the top lid? My eyelid. God, I'm terrible at this. And then I'm going to just add some inner corner highlight. This is my favorite highlighter at the moment, and I also added a black liner to my waterline, but I'm a little too slow for the voiceover, so I apologize. Then y'all got the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm posting 3 times a week, and yeah, I can't wait to give you all the consistent content y'all deserve. Love you the most. Bye.